Me now is former U.S. Attorney Kendall Coffee.
It's incredibly serious, and it suggests that when he was physically threatening this reporter, you recall that he said it was a stress relating to Hurricane Sandy. Well, it wasn't a hurricane named Sandy. It was a restaurant named Healthalicious that had him pretty stressed because with everything that they have in the indictment, you've almost got to take out your calculator to guesstimate the potential prison exposure. And it's very well documented, Reverend. I mean, they're talking about major amounts of cash that he did not report, cash payments he then made to employees, in some instances, employees that did not have a legal status. So it's a long list of charges, very serious ones. And he's coming out firing, claiming he's going to fight it tooth and nail. He's going to be vindicated. His attorneys are accusing the government of abuse of power, political vendettas. Some of that's predictable. But if he's in for a long fight, he needs to know they've got plenty of evidence. And for all the tough talk today, I'm going to be surprised if at some point they don't come hat in hand to the prosecutors and utter those immortal words, let's make a deal, if we can.
So you think ultimately that the congressman and his lawyers will try to make a deal because of the seriousness of these charges?
Yeah, the potential prison exposure, and under the guidelines it's going to be much less, but theoretically it's between 240 and 260 years. A lot of counts. They seem to have lined up a lot of witnesses, and I think this seems to be the smoking gun, they've got a spreadsheet, an electronic spreadsheet of a second set of payroll records. How is he going to explain that? And it's the payroll records that weren't given to the IRS, that weren't given to New York taxing authorities or to the workers' compensation. Hence, lots of charges, plenty of trouble explaining all of this.